Play to the vlog from I'm watching my vlog, my first ever vlog. I can't believe that. Oh my gosh.
Break time muna.
So, pinost ko muna para marinig niyo ako clearly. So, currently it's 4 in the morning and I'm so overwhelmed and done editing and already uploaded the Vlogmas day 1. And I hope na matuloy-tuloy ko siya up until Vlogmas 24, I think. I'll be doing my Get Unready With Me para makita niyo naman yung behind the scenes. Kung ano yung ginagawa ko all throughout the day. So, I'll be back. So let me just remove my contact lens first. I forgot to do the intro. Hi beautiful people, it's Jalabs and welcome to the episode 2 of Jalali Days. Jalali Days, yeah. Meron na tayong title, Jalali Days ang pangalan. Oh my god, dedicated ang person. And also I want you to meet someone nandun siya sa intro ko. So, hi to the vlog! Malos! Malos! Say hi to the vlog! Oh, here, oh. Her treats is from Dentalite. Ayan. So, this is what I use. Cotton pad and from Garnier. From Garnier, this is their micellar cleansing water in vitamin C. I also have their, yung may oil, insert ko na lang here. Yung may oil, basta I love that. It really removes my mascara. Pero right now, out of stock ako. So, hello, Garnier. Baka naman po. Time-lapse ko na lang to para mabilis tayo and hindi malobat yung device ko.
Are you scared? You tell the truth more because
Here we have a better lighting kasi magko-wash na ako ng face ko. So this is what I use for my cleanser. This is from Lux Organics. It's their Acne Derm. It has a AHA, BHA, niacinamide, and tea tree extracts. So I'm done with my skincare. I'm going to sleep now. My eyes is so red. See you later. Bye. Mama, chicken. Hi everyone, hi beautiful people, Jalabs. Welcome to episode 2 of Jalali Days. Time check, it's already 7:15 in the evening, so nakalimutan ko na mag-film. I'm so sorry, pero naligo lang ako, prepare the food for my dog, so I ate brunch. Usually, I do mornings kasi, alam niyo yun, nagmumuni-muni muna ako. So, that's it. That is it. So, I'm here now. I'm going to film another content. So, I'll be back. I'm gonna do my makeup first. So, here's the final look. What do you think? Achieve ang duwin-duwin. Here's my inspo. Di ba? Ang ganda niya. And ready na rin ang aking background for my first content of the day. So, I'm going to film muna. Bye! So, after my break time, I decided na magtuloy-tuloy na sa pag-film kasi para mas matapos na ako agad. So, ayan. Currently, I'm editing na this vlog para, may mapapanood na kayo. Hala, ang feeling. Kala mo may nanonood. Hello sa 61 subscriber ko. So, I guess I'll end this vlog na for today kasi it's 11:54 p.m. na. Tatapos ng day 2 of Vlogmas. So, I'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Jalali Days. Bye!